everyone, welcome to On the Other Hand. I'm Ariane Zurcher, and I hope all of you are well. I've been away for several months. I did my last teaching workshop in July, and then I just had to take a break and regroup. So I'll start showing you some of the other stuff that I've been doing in the next video, where I'm working on my mixed media stuff. And for those of you interested, you can check that out. And otherwise, I hope everyone's well and doing creative things, and it's lovely to see all of you. Remember that big project that I was working on last spring during my artist residency? For those who have been following me, you know what I'm talking about, the Beast. So I just wanted to show you how I finished it, because it's finally done, and so excited. Before that, I had to clean my studio, which had just become impossible. I mean, literally, there was like a little passage that you could walk, and there was just stuff everywhere. The floor was covered. So I had to reorganize that, and that was a huge project, way bigger than I had anticipated. And so I finished that. So if you haven't seen that video, you can check it out. But here's the Beast, finally finished. And this is what I did. So I do some shots of the beginning and then how I finally finished it. This is the finishing touch. I've got my grommets that I just put in. These are 1/2-inch grommets. I'm gonna cover them in thread. And I had to reposition this, so I'm gonna sew that back down. But otherwise, I've got them spaced, and I'm going to wrap them in threads, and that'll be it. It'll be done. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished. I want to wrap these in a fairly thick thread, so I'm going to do this. This is the Thread Gather Shepherd's, what's it called? Shepherd's Silk? Is that what it's called? I can't remember. Shepherd's Silk. And I've got it in, and I'm thinking that I'm going to wrap them according to the color that they're near, instead of wrapping them all in the same color. And I think I can do that with what I've got here. So I'm just going to start wrapping and go from there. For this one, I'm thinking this color, which is Rusty Amber. She changes them quite a bit, so I don't even know if this is still available, but I'm going to go ahead and start using that. I actually doubled this up because why not? My fingers got all dyed from cleaning a pot, and I didn't have gloves on. Okay, so I'm going to come up. It doesn't really matter where you come up, but I'm using a 18 chenille needle, and I'm literally going to wrap the thread around this entire ring.